Good morning class. It is question number 14. Three vertices of a parallelogram taken in order are -1, 0, 3, 1 and 2, 2 respectively, so that the coordinate of the fourth vertex is -2, 1. Let it is a parallelogram and its four vertices are -1, 0, point A, second is 3, 1, third is 2, 2 and fourth is unknown. Let it is x1, y1. And see given vertices. Now we have to find x1, y1. Since we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram intersect each other at midpoint, bisect each other, then O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Then midpoint of AC, coordinate of the midpoint of AC is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Means x1 is -1, x2 is 2. Midpoint of AC is x1 plus x2 -1 plus 2 by 2, y1 plus y2 means 0 plus 2 by 2. It means coordinate of point O is 1 by 2, 1. Now coordinate of the midpoint of BD is midpoint of BD x1 plus x2 by 2 means it is 3 plus x1 by 2 and 1 plus y1 by 2 means 3 plus x1 by 2 comma 1 plus y1 by 2. It is coordinate of midpoint, and midpoint is point O, then it is coordinate of point O. Is 3 plus x1 by 2 comma 1 plus y1 by 2. Coordinate of point O is 1 by 2 comma 1, and coordinate of point O is 3 plus x1 by 2 comma 1 plus y1 by 2. Then 3 plus x1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. From these two terms we have 3 plus x1 by 2 equal 1 by 2, and one plus y1 by 2. Coordinate of point O is 3 plus x1 by 2 comma 1 plus y1 by 2. Also coordinate of point O is 1 by 2 comma 1. Then this term is equal to this term, and this term is equal to this term. Then 3 plus x1 is equal 1. Value of x1 is minus 2, and 1 plus y1 equal to value of y1 is 1. It means fourth is minus 2 comma 1.